Oh, that is looking superb. The smell in here is fantastic. Oh, yes, please. Now that is Lorne sausage breakfast made. Oh, come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making probably one of the best and easiest sausages to make. We are making the Lorne sausage, a Scottish sausage. It's fantastic. It really is fantastic sausage. Now it's believed to be named after Tommy Lorne. Now Tommy Lorne was a comedian in Scotland way back when, but there are references to the Lorne sausage before Tommy Lorne was born. So it's a folklore really, but there's one thing that is certain, that the Lorne sausage, it actually remains part of Scottish cultural history. You know, and it's a symbol of Scotland's hearty food, no nonsense approach to food actually. And you'll see why. If you've never heard of the Lorne sausage, it's a square sausage and it's made with no casings. It is easy to throw together. Now, it's varied over the years with different recipes, but that is pork. So we're going to stick to the traditional pork and beef. Pork, beef mince. To that, we're going to chuck in our spices. We're going to chuck in breadcrumbs. Now, normally it would have been made with rusk all those years ago, but obviously breadcrumbs have evolved and we use breadcrumbs in a lot of things now. Now I have an egg. I'm just going to give it a little beat and I'm going to put this in, and we still might have to use some cold water. Now an egg is completely optional. I just think it gives it a little bit of richness, you know, but water is traditionally used, so we just need to give this a good mixing through. Get that pork and beef mixed in there together and then mix it through with all your breadcrumbs until we get that nice sticky sausage mix. Now this is eaten in breakfast rolls all over Scotland. It's one of those things that the Scots really enjoy, and it's admired by everybody worldwide who likes Scottish food. It's the good old hearty sausage with a no-nonsense approach to cooking. The Scots crack this. Right, so I'm just going to loosen that up like that. Now we've got the breadcrumbs in there. I'm just going to go in there with my egg. Now, like I say, egg is optional. Use water. And then we just need to bring that together. And that's going to give us that little bit of richness in there. So we're just going to go in there with just a touch of cold water. And give that a bringing in. So that's about got it. And then what we do, we take a bread tin, line it out with cling film. It just makes it easy to get our sausage out. And then all we do is take some of this sausage meat and we start packing it down in there. Now you can be as careful as you like. I just don't want all the cling film to go in, so I'm just doing it a little bit gingerly at the moment, and then I'm going to give it a squashing. So all we have to do is get that down there, squash it in. We don't want huge air pockets in there. We want the sausage to firm up and be nice and square. It's just a lot better for cutting and cooking. We don't want a crumbly sausage where it all crumbles. We are going to take some more cling film and throw it over the top and then squash the cling film over the top of it. So we are just going to get that in there like that. So that's got to go in the fridge to go solid, set up, and when it sets up it's going to be easier to slice. We slice it into about centimetre pieces actually and give it a fry. So that goes in the fridge till it's completely chilled, and then we'll take it out and give it a try. Okay, our Lorne sausage then. Let's get it out of here. Now this has been in the fridge. It's been in the fridge overnight actually to get all those flavours and spices together. Oh, oh, that is what we are looking at. So all we have to do is turn that onto that board and we can take off our wrap. Look at that thing. What a beautiful Lorne sausage. And then all we do is we slice some. Nice and steady. Oh. Now the thing is with this Lorne sausage, you're not going to eat all that unless you'd have been a hibernating bear and you're starving yourself. So what you're going to do, you're going to take some, we're going to take a few squares of baking paper, and all we're going to do is freeze our sausage. You know, we don't want to be going to all this trouble, but we do want to be taking out some sausage. And you can cook it straight from the freezer, there's no problem. And you're going to freeze it in portion sizes that you want. If you want a couple of pieces, yeah, or you can freeze it all in one bag, it doesn't matter. With the paper in between, it's going to stay separated. So you just take your sausage and you put it in your bag. And there we have it, Lorne sausage ready for the freezer. Look at that. And then all we're going to do is just fry some. Oh, and in we go. Oh, that is looking superb. The smell in here is fantastic. Oh, yes, please. So that's our Lorne sausage cooked. It's so easy, right? All we got to do is serve it up. We can serve it up a traditional type way in Scotland, where they just serve it straight onto a bread roll or bread cake. I mean, come on. Look at that. That is fabulous. Or the world is your oyster. You can serve it up whichever way you want. Now that is Lorne sausage breakfast made. Oh, come on. Oh, do yourself a favour, get some sauce on. I'm going for ketchup on here. And a bit of brown on this one. Variation. The world is your oyster. What does it taste like? That is absolutely amazing. That is Lorne sausage made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.